The Staff Selection Commission released the SSC-CGL recruitment notification on its official website. Interested and eligible candidates can apply for the Combined Graduate Level Examination 2024 from June 24 to July 24. However, the last date to pay application fee is the 25th of July. The window for application correction will remain open on 10 and the 11th of August. According to the notification, a total of 17,727 vacancies will be filled through this recruitment drive. SSC-CGL is a national level exam which is conducted for the recruitment of candidates for various Group B and C posts such as Assistant Audit Officer, Assistant Accounts Officer, Inspector, Examiner, Sub-Inspector, Assistant Section Officer and more. The SSC-CGL Notification 2024 PDF for 17,727 vacancies has been published on the official website at ssc.gov.in. Graduates falling within the age limit of 18 to 32 years can submit their application forms till the 24th of July. However, the deadline for paying application fee is the 25th of July. Selection of candidates will be based on their aggregate performance in Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 will be qualifying in nature. SSC-CGL 2024 Exam Overview. SSC-CGL exam is held annually to shortlisted eligible candidates for various Group B and C posts. These positions include Assistant Audit Officer, Assistant Accounts Officer, Inspector, Examiner, Sub-Inspector, Assistant Section Officer, Assistant Enforcement Officer, Divisional Accountant, Inspector, Assistant Superintendent, Inspector of Income Tax, Senior Secretariat Assistant, Upper Division Clerk, Auditor, Tax Assistant, Accountant, Junior Statistical Officer, and Statistical Investigator Grade 2. SSC-CGL 2024 Summary. Exam Name: SSC-CGL 2024. Full Form: Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level. Conducting Body: Staff Selection Commission, SSC. Vacancies: to be notified. Category: Government Jobs. Exam Type: National Level. Mode of Application: Online. Apply online dates: June 24 to July 24. Mode of Exam: Online. Selection Process: Tier 1, Qualifying. Tier 2, Official Website, ssc.gov.in. The Commission will announce SSC-CGL Tier 1 exam dates anytime soon. Going by the official notification, the exam will be conducted in the month of September or October 2024. We will notify you as soon as the exact SSC-CGL exam date will be announced. SSC-CGL 2024 exam date. Events: Important dates. Notification release date: the 24th of June 2024. Registration dates: the 24th of June 2024. Last date to apply for SSC-CGL recruitment: the 24th of July 2024. Last date to pay application fee: the 25th of July 2024. SSC-CGL Tier 1 exam dates: September-October 2024. SSC-CGL Vacancy 2024. The Staff Selection Commission has notified 17,727 vacancies for SSC-CGL exam for the recruitment of various Group B and C posts. Last year, the Commission notified 8,415 vacancies for Group B and C posts, and the year before, 37,409 vacancies were announced. Check the SSC-CGL vacancy trends for last 7 years in the table below. What is SSC-CGL 2024 eligibility? In order to submit the SSC-CGL application form successfully, candidates must meet the required educational qualification and age limit criteria. Educational qualification: candidates must possess a bachelor's degree in any discipline. However, those who are applying for Assistant Audit Officer, Assistant Accounts Officer must have a graduation degree in CA, CS, MBA, Cost and Management Accountant, Masters in Commerce, Masters in Business Studies. For a Junior Statistical Officer (JSO) post, a bachelor's degree from a recognized institution, minimum 60% in maths in 12th, is required. Age limit: the age limit varies for each category and post. However, the standard SSC-CGL age limit is 18 to 32 years. SSC-CGL Application Form 2024. The online registration process for SSC-CGL exam has begun along with the release of official notification. The SSC-CGL Application Form 2024 for 17,727 vacancies was released on the 24th of June at ssc.gov.in. Candidates can submit their applications by the 24th of July and pay their applications fee online by the 25th of July. Find the direct link to apply online below. How to apply online for SSC-CGL Recruitment 2024. Aspirants can follow the below mentioned steps to submit their online forms successfully. Visit the official website of SSC at ssc.gov.in or click on the direct link provided above. If you are a new user, register yourself by providing the essential information and providing the authentic email ID and phone number. Log in to your account by entering the user ID and password you received on your registered email ID. Fill out the SSC CGL application form accurately. Upload the required documents in the specified format and size. Ensure that the photograph is in JPEG format and between 20 KB and 50 KB. Similarly, the SSC CGL signature size should be between 10 KB and 20 KB. Pay the application fee as per your category. Submit it and download the SSC CGL 2024 online form here. What is SSC CGL salary? The salary varies depending on the post for which the candidate is selected. For Group A posts, the initial salary ranges from 56,100 rupees to 177,500 rupees per month. For Group B posts, the salary falls between 35,400 rupees and 112,400 rupees per month. For Group C posts, the salary ranges from 25,500 rupees to 81,100 rupees per month.